Thank you, Dr. Redfield. I have a final question for each of our great witnesses today, and it's one that my constituents often ask me. The mainstream media, and indeed some of my colleagues in the Senate, seem to want to paint each of your relationships with our president during this wartime effort as confrontational and lacking consensus. Can you categorically say here to the American people today whether this is true or untrue? From your testimony today, I've seen a very coordinated effort to address this with the administration to combat this pandemic. Can you give me a sense of whether what the characterization is whether it's true or untrue? Thank you. I'd ask Dr. Fauci to answer that first.
Yes, no, there is certainly not a confrontational relationship between me and the president. As I've mentioned many times, I give advice and opinion based on evidence-based scientific information. He hears that, he respects it, he gets opinions from a variety of other people, but in no way, in my experience over the last several months, has there been any confrontational relationship between us.
Thank you, Dr. Redfield. Dr. Hahn.
Again, I would echo what Dr. Fauci said. We're there to give our best public health advice, and that's what we do. It's grounded in data and science. I've always felt free to give the best public health advice that I think needs to be given at the time, and it's always been done in a very professional way.
Senator Loeffler, this is Steve Hahn. I do not have a confrontational relationship, have not had a confrontational relationship with the president. He asks questions. I have given him my honest answers rooted in data and science, and he has listened respectfully to those, incorporating that into his decision-making.
And Brett Joie, I have nothing else but to echo my colleagues. We work very closely together, all the scientists, all the physicians, of course, Ambassador Birx, other scientists within our group. We have a very productive working relationship with each other and also with the president and vice president. It would not be confrontational, and I certainly feel that we have the ability to honestly state our opinions and recommendations, and that's been that way since the beginning.